Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little DIY. This is hopefully just involving these few things here, with the exception of like glue and scissors. These are pretty much the only items that will be needed for this project. And if you want to see what it is, then I hope you keep watching. Okay, so here is the piece of wood that we're working with. This is poplar. I've never used poplar before, but it's maintaining its shape, and I think that's why it was expensive. So this is the piece I cut down, and even though it's really thin, look, it's not moving, it's not bendable. So I'm going to use this to create a little rope shelf. I have my rope right here. I'm going to use this wooden ring right here, and all I have to do is drill some holes. So I already marked in on the 4 corners where each hole needs to go. The board is ready. I'm going to cut 2 pretty long strips of the rope. Alright, so I'm just going to double this right about here. I'm just going to add a little bit of tape. Keep the ends from unraveling. So that is that, and then we need one more. This one doesn't have to be as long. Just gonna take one piece of rope and the wooden ring and put this through here. Take another, put that through there, and then put the ends into the board. Where that one goes through, the other end is going to go through this space here. And same with this one. And then this last one is going to go down here too. This third one is going to be right in between the other two. So this is the last one, the shorter one. And I'm going to take that shorter one that I added in the middle and hold one end of the rope, take the other end of the rope, and I'm going to start at the top here, and I'm just going to wrap this around itself and then come down. Going all the way down. Well, not all the way. Maybe 2 or 3 inches down. Just to about there. And then I'm going to tuck the rope inside here on the bottom. So this is the piece that was just wrapped around. I'm gonna grab this glue in there, pull that down nice. I'm gonna cut it off. then this is the other little piece of that rope that was hanging off. I'll just add a little bit of glue in here to make sure that stays secure. So this is going to be the back of it. This is going to be the side facing the wall. And this other side here, this is going to be the side that will face out. Now that all the ropes are hanging where they need to be, I'm going to hang this on the wall so I can make the knots at the bottom so that everything is even. Okay, so now that the rope is the length that I want it to be, I'm just going to put glue on the bottom of the knots because I want to cut these little ends off. And put glue right on the ends.